If you have opened the Snapseed apps on your smartphone, select the image. To add an image, select the tool, select double exposure.
Dreams on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that.
Adjust the position and set the opacity of the new image.
First, don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Select Edit Stack, View Edits.
And your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Image selection. Delete the part of the image that is not needed. Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work. Click Tools.
We will rise, I'm immersed in this.
Brush and select exposure and reduce exposure to -1.0.
Focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody
Apply it on the new image so that it becomes darker.
Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Go to Tools and Curves. Increase the blue color and decrease the red color, so that the blue color is dominant. Select Edit Stack, View Edits. Brush on the new image so that it turns blue.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna.
The next step is to import the image, by selecting Tools and double exposure.
Sleepless nights and headaches stack, restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll
Repeat the first step.
what you
Select Edit Stack, View Edits.
broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and
Image selection.
infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Delete the part of the image that is not needed.
fix the coloring of the image, click Tools and tune the image. Brightness -34, contrast -31, saturation +40, ambience +29, highlights +34, shadows -69, warmth -4. For details, set structure to +53, sharpening to +29.
Told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Reset the color of the image with tools, click curves.
I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
To create a more dramatic image, choose Tools, Vintage.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something.
Re-import the new image using Tools and double exposure.
Everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
I just wanna get caught up in this
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.